Yeah, I'm Daniel Chang. I work at law offices of Alex John Associates, and I am the client satisfaction manager.
A dashcam can be considered a necessity for several reasons rather than just luxury. Evidence in accidents. A dashcam records what happens on the road. In the event of an accident, it can provide valuable evidence for insurance claims and legal proceedings. This evidence can help determine fault and liability, potentially saving you from unfair blame and financial loss. Protection against insurance fraud. Dashcams can protect against fraudulent claims such as staged accidents or false injury claims. They provide a clear, unbiased evidence of what actually occurred during an accident, which can prevent insurance premiums from increasing due to unwarranted claims. Monitoring driving behavior. Some dashcams can come with features like GPS tracking, which can monitor driving behavior such as speed, acceleration, and braking. This information can be useful for coaching drivers, improving safety, and identifying risky behaviors that may lead to accidents. Security against vandalism and theft. A dashcam can also act as a deterrent against vandalism and theft when parked. Some dashcams have parking mode features that automatically start recording when motion or impact is detected, helping to identify perpetrators and provide evidence to law enforcement. Capturing unexpected events. Dashcams can capture unexpected events such as meteor showers, wildlife crossings, or natural disasters. These recordings can be valuable for personal documentation or sharing interesting experiences with others. Lemon law. You can record your car stalling in the highway or having issues multiple times, especially when the dealership cannot duplicate your concern, because that could be used as evidence for your lemon law. Peace of mind. Knowing that your journeys are being recorded can provide peace of mind while driving, especially in high-risk situations or unfamiliar areas. It can be reassuring for parents of teenage drivers or for employers managing fleets of vehicles. Overall, while a dashcam may initially seem like a luxury, its benefits in terms of safety, security, capturing life, and legal protection, injuries, and lemon make it a wise investment for many drivers.
We recently signed a client who was involved in a hit and run. He was driving on the highway and got rear-ended when the other party just continued to just run away. Luckily, our client had a dash cam and we used that footage to help him file that claim. Eventually, the other party turned himself in. Could it have been because he saw the dash cam? Who knows? But if our client did not have a dash cam, it'd be incredibly hard to prove and proceed with the claim. So get a dash cam. In my most recent accident, which occurred back in 2021, I was driving straight, headed northbound on a green light. Like many drivers, I've experienced the situation where you are the last car, in a lane to pass that green light. When the other party, instead of letting you pass and yielding safely, they try to beat you. In this particular instance, the other driver, a father out shopping last minute for his child's birthday, was rushed. Despite my tires barely entering the intersection, he hastily made a left turn. Unfortunately, by the time I entered the intersection, it was too late to avoid the collision. The police report cited vehicle code CVC 21801 parentheses A. That means that the cops know this guy failed to yield. I had the right of way, he failed to yield. He wrote that on the police report. That's what's been reported, and that's what everybody confirmed. Fast forward to 2024, like right now, I find myself having to go to court because the other party is attempting to shift some of the blame and avoid taking full liability. He is now trying to say that I ran the red light and now has a random unexpected witness that did not identify himself to the police at the scene of the accident. Now, light disputes are always 100% difficult for the honest driver and 100% easy for the guilty party because all they have to do is keep lying. I wish I had a dash cam. as it would have provided me like the perfect evidence to avoid this situation.
Hi, my name is Tommy Kwan, and I'm a social marketing assistant at law offices of Alex Chan Associates. My mom and my brother got into a car accident a couple months ago, and thankfully they're both fine. But my mom and my brother, the other driver, the witness, and the police report are all saying slightly different things. And I just really wish we had a dash cam just for evidence and also just to see what actually happened. Having a dash cam could have saved us a lot of stress from the legal matters that my family is facing right now. Thankfully, the law offices of Alex Chan Associates have decided to collab with Blackboxmycar. With Blackboxmycar's extensive knowledge on dash cams and legal expertise, we're confident that the dash cams that they provide can give you the support and protection that you and your vehicle needs. So scan this QR code or visit the link provided to get 10% off your first dash cam today.